Good morning, day 4. So baka nagtataka kayo parang hindi kami nag-aagahan lagi. Dito na kasi kami nagbe-breakfast sa room. Mga baon kami. Para paglabas, busog na. Tsaka may rice din kami binabaon.
My outfit, look.
Late na kami ng gising. It's already 9 o'clock. We're supposed to leave the room at 8 o'clock. Sana magawa pa rin natin yung mga itinerary natin for today.
Look what I bought last night. This is how you first pick up the lid. Next, see this white. Pull it up. That's the thing. Juicy green apple. I'm gonna put on some sunscreen.
A weather forecast tomorrow for our Disneyland day. Medyo rain. And we're praying na sana.
Wait, tomorrow's a Disneyland? Tomorrow is when they going to Disneyland!
Gloomy yung weather today. Sa observatory app ng Hong Kong, there's a 60% chance of raining. Lord, please, we live up to you the weather. Wag po sanang umulan. Puro outdoor pa naman yung activities namin today. Malakas lang hangin.
Hindi pa tayo makapag-pera.
Liim na pero close pa most yung establishments. Hindi lang pala Legoland meron dito. Marami pa dito ang ibang mga pambatang shops, playground. Parang 10:30 na, no? Pero most of the establishments are still closed. Ano oras ba nagbubukas yung mga stores dito sa K11? So, ito yung food playground or yung food court nila. Yan.
Ang playground lang sa kanila.
Dito sa K11 kasi ano ng mga CR dito. Pwede na umuulan, pwede na tayo cultural center. Slide ba yan? Ayaw nga, parang slide na. Garden. Peacock. Yay! Thank you, Lord! Umaaraw na! For outdoor pa naman yung activity namin today. Sa kami sa may Mawan Village. Sa may Park Island. Yes po. There's a drum competition here. We're here at Cultural Center. Kaso itong spot na to, ang daming mga tao sinisiri ng drum competition. We're gonna eat here at Jollibee. Go inside.
Sa ilalim.
Here's our order. I made pizza. Star Ferry to Central. Nandoon kasi sa Central Ferry Pier, yung ferry going to Mawan Village or Park Island. Yes. Tayo galing sa Star Ferry. Dito tayo sa ferry to Park Island or Mawan. Grabe, ito na pala kaan. We're here at Center Pier number 2. We're just waiting for our boarding at 2:30. 15 minutes na lang. Are you excited to go to Noah's Ark? Yeah, that's the Noah's Ark. Ayun na yung mga ano pa pala pwede sakyan. Here's Noah's Ark.
Mami, kamukha niya talaga yung ginawa ni Noah. That's not what I was expecting. I thought it wasn't a boat. It was just a boat. Kala ko yung tawag lang, no. Sleeper yan.
Ganda ng view. Ito sa Park Island. We booked this on Klook. 800 plus lang siya per head. Thank you. We're gonna enter. Lagay mo na sa water.
Walk around, and after this you can take a piece of paper and you can do the coloring. After coloring this, you can put it under a scanner, and after pressing a button it will pop up on the organs from there.
Oh, you can choose. You can choose which one you want.
Yeah, you can
Want
take
that?
a maximum of 2 paper.
And you can get those two. Which other color? Thank you.
And here you can take a pair of 3D glasses.
Oh no, I got
After
3D.
that, you can use the 3D glasses.
3D glass.
First you get one glass.
And the entrance is this side.
Ginobli ko siya sa salamin ko. Tapos ka na? Okay. Treasure house. Let's go. Oh, you have to enter it one by one.
There's nothing in there. Ooh, there's...
This is the first.
Whoa.
Next is Animal Kingdom. Amazing animal senses.
Ayun tayo sabi niya ginagawa nila.
Being human.
I'm going to overrate this thing.
Okay.
Is this one? Mine is right over here.
5 to 30 seconds sa mouth. Then, goes to the pharynx and esophagus, 10 seconds.
And then
Sa
goes
stomach, 3 hours. Kumain ka 3 hours, pahinga ka diba dapat before go to bed kung nakakain 3 hours before. Then, small intestines, brushing kasi 3 hours, and 2 days pa sa toilet.
Ayun na, 3. Hindi ako makikisaw ba? No, eh. Okay.
Language. Gothenburg Printing Press. Tayo si Daddy, oh. Tari is making a car. Is that a car?
A dolphin.
Tara, ito nga yan eh. Fun play.
Fun track. Ba't parang wala? We have souvenir shop. Ito tayo sa playground. Fun playground.
Laki naman ng bag. Malaki yung taas ng slide. Kaya mo kaya yan? Ano ba yan?
Hello, nga taas.
Sa anak, di mo kaya yun.
Galing na ni Tarzan.
My experience Noah's Ark, it's beautiful. I know, Noah's Ark even teach me how to climb that.
Monkey bar. Yan, so kung naghahanap pa kayo ng ibang itinerary nyo dito sa Hong Kong and may kasama kayong bata, perfect dito sa Noah's Ark. Open siya from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Nag-book ako dito sa Klook.
Bilis, Ricky! Ako next!
Going to Mawan 1868.
Mami, di alam nila na. Mami, gusto mag-drone kasi dyan sa ano ng drone, makikita mo yung
Pretty ng mga cafes dito. Look. Kung gusto nyo ng relaxing na place. Salamin dito ang ganito. Mas bakad mo yan. Ganda. Here. Here, di ba? Let's enter here. Wall Street Night Market.
Oo,
Masarap to. Weh.
Sarap guys.
Ano yun? Ito. Yan, HKD lang.
Ito pala kung
Ano gusto mo dyan?
Ice cream and wafer.
It's not wafer, it's waffle. Wala na daw ng ice cream. Ito na lang pinili namin. Yung Mami chocolate chip.
$135.
See? See? Is it hot?
At kasi gano'n, no? Puputulin mo.
Ganun pala dapat. Sarap?
Yan lang ako.
Ang regular pancake na may chocolate sa loob. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, that's so tasty.
Thank you for your support.
Galing ni Kuya, oh. Nagawa na lang yan, oh.
Gusto ko yung babae parang
Wow! May batang tuwan-tuwa. May nakita siyang ganito. Kaso parang prawn crackers siya, Tars, eh.